how to write 0.125 in fraction form. So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep this decimal and write the number you are getting. So you are getting 125 number. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10 as a multiplication. As we have 3 digit after decimal, we have written 310 as a multiplication. If you want to reduce or simplify this fraction in one step, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. But if you want to simplify this fraction in multi-steps, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, so you are getting 2 here, and you are getting what? 5 goes into 12, 2 times 2, 5, 25. 25. Again 25 is divisible by 5, this 10 is divisible by 5. You'll get 2. If you divide this 25 by 5, you'll get 5. Again this 5 is divisible by 2, this 10 is divisible by 2, you'll get 2, and you'll get 1. So you're getting 1 over 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. The common factor between 1 and 8 is 1, so we can say that this is the simplified, simplest form or reduced form or